because آپ کو بھی پتا چل گیا کہ شہزاد خلیل is so important to Marina. Marina, here's a small package for you. Take a look at this.
کہکشاں مرینا کی ایک بہت اچھی دوست ہے, تو وہ تو اسٹیبلش ایکٹریس تھی اس زمانے میں, اس نے 2 سیریل کر چکی تھی. وہ اس کے ساتھ ایسے ہی ٹی وی پہ گئی تھی اور خلیل نے اس کو دیکھا, اور خلیل بھی تقریباً انگریز ٹائپ آدمی تھا, تو اس سے مرینا سے باتیں کرتا رہا. اس کے سیٹ پہ جنگل کا سیٹ تھا, پتہ نہیں دیواروں کا سیٹ تھا. وہ بات کرتی ہوئی تو اتنے ایکسپریشن بناتی ہے نا, تو وہ یہ چیز اس کو بہت اچھی لگتی تھی خلیل کو, کہ یہ بات کرتی تو فل آف فیلنگس کرتی ہے. تو اس نے کہا کہ تم نے میرے پلے میں کام کرنا ہے. راشد میں ناز کر رہا تھا اس زمانے میں وہ, تو اس نے کہا چھوٹا سا, اور وہ رومانٹک رول تھا, اور مرینا بہت گھبراتی ہے رومانٹک رول سے. مرینا نے اتنے نیچرل کیے, اور کہ ابھی بھی دیکھو تو اب لگتا ہے کہ آج کا پلے ہے. اور اس طرح خلیل کے ساتھ اس کی دوستی ہوئی. اس کے بعد تنہائیوں میں لیا, اور تنہائیوں میں خلیل کے تھرو میں ملی اس سے, اور پھر ہماری بہت فیملی فرینڈشپ ہو گئی, کیونکہ مرینا نے گھر بلایا. خلیل کی مرینا کی ممی سے اور ڈیڈی سے بہت اچھی دوستی ہو گئی, فیملی کی فرینڈ کی طرح ہم ہو گئے. ہم تقریباً ہر تیسرے چوتھے دن ان کے گھر ہوتے تھے, وہ ہمارے گھر ہوتے تھے. اور خلیل اس کی شادی میں, مرینا کی شادی میں بھی خلیل نے بہت حصہ لیا. خلیل اتنا سے پیار کرتا تھا کہ وہ اس کو بیٹی سمجھتا تھا, کیونکہ خلیل کی ہماری کوئی بیٹی نہیں ہے, 2 بیٹے ہیں ہمارے. تو خلیل اس کو بیٹی مانتا تھا کہ مجھے اللہ نے ایک بیٹی دے دی, اور اس سے بے انتہا پیار کرتا تھا. اور مرینا بھی اس سے بہت پیار کرتی تھی, اپنی سب دل کی بات خلیل سے کرتی تھی.
And I know that that photo in the of you and Shehzad Saab dancing means a lot to you.
Yes, because we lost him a week later. After
1 week
that,
later.
Yeah.
And that was Apka Shadi?
That was my wedding, yes. That was my wedding.
So what was it about him? Like, what is that quality?
I think he just was a very, very, very good human being. You know, that was what it was. You know, on sets, it was never, the actor was obviously very important, but everyone was important. The boom guy, the camera, you know, like, if I'm not remembering my lines or lunch, wahan to in PTV everything had, you know, timing ke saath hota tha. We had to do a lunch break, we had to do a tea break, you know, because of union and all of that. تو اگر لنچ کا ٹائم ہو گیا اور ہم کو لائنیں یاد نہیں آ رہی ہیں, he needs to say کہ you know, and talk back بھی ہوتا تھا, کہتے ہیں کہ you know, this is your profession, you have to know your line, and I can't be waiting here for you, everyone has to take a break. So you realize that he wasn't looking out for just the actor, he was looking out for everyone. I mean, captain of the ship, true and true.
But also with
amazing.
Up Kilia, I mean, because you do hold him in such high regard, is it because he found focus in Apka Zindagi? In the sense of he gave you Apka career, Apka focus, what you want, who you are today.
Yeah, I think I don't think of it so much, but when I do think about it, yes, you know, I did not have a direction. I was working with Dr. Bajwa and I was loving my job because you know, that was the first job I ever had. And didn't realize that, you know, there was something out there. I did know that I wanted to be a very independent person, but I really didn't know what my focus was. And I think, yes, it did give me focus. But the main focus that it gave me, which I realize now, is the direction, not the acting so much, because acting with him was a breeze, you know, because and acting with a couple of other people like Mimi and Saira, and because those are directors who bring the best out in you.
Actor directors.
Yes, exactly. And you know, you show off for them. When you're on set, you show off for them because you want them to think you're a good
Marina,
person.
will you tell us about, you had told us about the time when you had to cry. اور رونا نہیں آ رہا تھا. So how did Shehzad bring that out?
Well, that was fantastic. And that's, I think, the first time he ever gave me a thumbs up for, otherwise وہ کبھی نہیں تعریف کرتے تھے. You know, he never used to say ہاں ہو گیا, it's done, yeah, it's fine, it was fine. But Shahnaz is saying, if you cry, and I said, you're the actress. I said, I'm just, new on the set. And so then I was supposed to be in bed, and she comes and, she says something to me, and then we start crying. And so I was sitting in bed, and I said, Shehzad Saab, I don't think I can cry. And he says, no, you can. Everyone, then he dimmed the lights of the studio. Everyone left the studio except for our DOP, which was Faisal Nadeem himself, Shahnaz. and he put all the studio lights off except for one light, and it was, you know, this whole atmosphere he created. And then we started talking, and he started telling me stories about, you know, a train station pe koi kaisa roya tha, and then there was this lady, usne Shehzad sahab ko kaha ki mujhe zor ka thappad marna, to pehle Shehzad ne mara, he said no, she really whacked me hard, so he whacked her hard, and so, you know, he related all these stories. And then he started talking about Ethiopia, and we'd just done this fashion show, and he says, think of the worst possible scenario or anything that, you know, you feel is something that would hurt you, or you have to think about that and concentrate on that. And I said, okay, we'll try. He went up, he says, I'm going to roll the camera, don't worry. Just put your hands up when you feel you're on the verge of tears. And he went up, rolled the camera, the size, still there was just then at that time, I think there was just the crew and silence, there was a pin drop silence in the studio. And I started thinking of the poster, because in the poster we had this, you know, child, starving child, and I started thinking about the poster and then I just went like that, and then Shahnaz made her entry, and the scene just took off from there, and we did one take.
Excellent.
We did one take, and he just took reactions later on, but it was just that one take, and I know he put the first take on. And he came down, and he just went like, oh, and that was like, wow, you know, it was, oh.
जी हम बात कर रहे हैं marvelous Marina Khan के साथ, और अभी हमारा मेहमान बहुत अच्छे डायरेक्टर, also Marina का शोहर, real actor, और also known as Kuchu. Assalamu alaikum.
Hey, Kal.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, let's start.
पहले कितने साल?
19
होने वाले.
Wait, are you counting from the ceremony or from when we met?
20 from
Well, 20 when we met.
20 from when we met.
But we were married the day we met. Actually.
I proposed, I'm going to still say it again and again.
Acha. Kuchu, very bad.
You proposed.
Yes,
You proposed.
Pakistani men are very scared that way, you know.
Acha, Marina, एक
Or-
बात बताओ,
or-
Englishmen are very
Englishmen
are very scared too.
Scared or
Did you
clever,
propose?
George?
She also proposed.
Not that clever.
All right, men, leave the set.
But listen, seriously, 19 years, बहुत मुबारक हो.
Thank
that's
you.
Great. But really, secret of successful marriage क्या है? Especially dono working together and in ये industry में, what are the secrets?
You want to go first?
Give each other room.
Yeah.
Don't try and change the other person. You know, just respect them for what they do or what they like, and find your place. I mean, after you get married, that's just a term, right? So we just continued as if we were boyfriend, girlfriend, or whatever. You know, the roles that you're expected to play after, those didn't seem to matter to her or me, and we just continued the way we were. So there was no pressure to be a certain way, or and she's stubborn, and we know that. so you know, any family
are you
pressure.
quite laid back?
I'm very laid back. Yeah, that's why it works.